Company valuations are dropping, and AI is a big reason why. Billions have been wiped out, entire industries are being repriced. But here's the twist. The same force destroying value is also creating it. Stay with me for 90 seconds and I'll show you how to increase your company's valuation. You won't want to miss the tips at the end. Right now, we're seeing a massive shift. Software and tech stocks are selling off as AI threatens their core business models. Some companies have lost tens of billions in value almost overnight. And in 2026 alone, AI-driven fear triggered a $285 billion market sell-off. Why? Because AI is exposing a harsh truth. Companies that aren't using AI to improve profits are getting punished. For years, businesses were valued on potential. Now, they're being valued on efficiency, margins, and real output. Even worse, companies think they are using AI by doing ChatGPT queries, or even worse, haven't developed a strategy on deploying AI agents. So the gap between winners and losers is growing fast. But here's the opportunity. The companies that figure this out are becoming dramatically more valuable. Deploy AI agents to replace workflows, not tasks. Most companies use AI like a tool. Winners use it like a workforce. AI agents can run customer support end-to-end, execute outbound sales sequences, automate finance and reporting. And companies using them are pulling ahead fast. AI agents already drive 17% of total AI value today and growing rapidly. Turn fixed costs into scalable systems. AI agents don't scale linearly like people do. One AI-powered sales system can handle 10x the volume. One ops workflow can replace entire layers of manual work. That means higher margins. And higher margins equals higher valuation multiples. Redesign your business around AI. Don't just add it. The top-performing companies aren't adding AI. They're rebuilding workflows around it. In fact, leading companies are 3x more likely to redesign how work gets done to unlock value. That's where the real valuation jump happens. So yes, AI is destroying company value, but it's also creating a massive gap between companies that adapt and those that don't. If you want to be on the side that wins, start deploying AI like a system, not a tool. Get a free AI analysis at valuecreationai.net.